And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have a couple of Colombian chorizos. They're not very spicy, which is a good thing, especially for a breakfast or something like that. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to cook a breakfast with them. I also have an egg, and I have a couple breads. I'm going healthy. This is a very naughty bread, low carbs. I got the skillet already oily and ready. And I have another cast iron here. So let's start. I put the sausages through a skewer, easy to manage. Just put them there, let them cook. This one, in this case, I don't have the heat high now, I reduce it. I just come to toast the bread. I don't use a toaster, I go old school. If you go to the woods or outdoors, you're not going to be carrying a toaster, but you will have something like this perhaps. So I just put them in one side for about maybe 10-15 seconds or a minute, whatever. And then flip them and do the same. This one, going back, going to raise the heat a little bit on the front side. And also frying an egg or two. Why not, right? This one looks to be ready, see? Isn't that beautiful? I like to put a little bit of that final touch here. Let's get these babies out. Put them to rest.